Every single week, I try to test out just about every single AI tool that gets released. And this week, I wanted to share with you 7 that I recently found that I think you were going to find valuable. Now, the first one on the list is from Google. This is called Google Illuminates. This is very similar to another function that you'll find inside of another app called Notebook LM. This is from Google. This is one of the most popular and one of the most popular tools in the world of AI. So if you haven't used Notebook LM, I'll just briefly show you what this is now with Notebook LM. At notebooklm.google.com, you could add all kind of sources, that is all your own information, your own research and your own knowledge base, and then you could have an AI-based chat conversation with all your own sources. Now, one of the most interesting things inside of Notebook LM is this thing called Audio Overview, where it takes all the information in those documentation and creates a podcast. This was an 8-minute podcast that he created for me. Well, Google decided to roll that out in a whole different app. I'll show you that now. And by the way, if you go to labs.google, this is where Google is testing out all kind of new AI apps. So I checked this website. Google LM was first released here. They have all kind of different tools here that they are testing out, but this one is called Illuminate. Let me go ahead and try with this. Google Illuminate transforms your content into engaging AI-generated audio discussions between two different people, uses the same voices that are inside of Notebook LM. Now down here, they also have a library. I'll just press play on one just so you see what it sounds like.
To break down some research, this paper, Artificial Intelligence Index Report 2024, explores the rapid advancements and growing influence of artificial intelligence, AI, in our world.
I'm ready. It's absolutely incredible how fast AI is evolving.
To create those audio overviews on this page, you have to search for a topic or paste a PDF URL. Well, huge limitation right now. You can't upload your own PDF. So I'm hoping they roll that out right now. Again, very beta version, actually experiment version of this. This is kind of before beta, but it says those PDF have to come from this link right here. So if I go to this website, they have it on all kind of different topics, or you could type in a topic and press enter. To create those audio overviews on this, it's going to show you all kind of topics that you could pull in these PDFs from. So let me just look up this one, and this one right here, I'll select these two. I'll add those as my sources. Then over here, it says create a discussion tailored for you. You could change your audience. So general audience is what you picked by default, but you could go and change that type in your audiences with a longer duration. So it says you could do medium, you could do longer, you could do quick, which is less than 5 minutes. The tone should be friendly. So in this case, let me change this to medium, and then you could go ahead and press generate from here. Now this took around 6 minutes to create the medium length. So let me go ahead and press play.
Welcome to our discussion. Today, we'll be delving into 2 fascinating papers that explore the philosophical underpinnings of physics and the nature of physical laws.
And then you could press this hand signal right here, and this will open up with this Q&A where you could ask any questions about those papers. So a fantastic tool, except I really hope they add the option to upload your own document like you could do inside of a Notebook LM. But pretty cool tool already if you could find the right research papers to create these audio discussions. Now the next one is called Napkin AI. The website is napkin.ai, and this will help you turn any type of text prompt into interesting visuals that you could use inside of PowerPoint, inside of AI powered presentations, and it's really easy to use. They have a completely free plan available as well, and with Napkin AI you just have to paste any type of content that you want to, then turn into a diagram or visual elements, or you could just create by using a text prompt here. And the AI actually does 2 things. It actually writes an entire blog post if you want to use this blog post. But I want to create the visual element right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. It's going to create visual elements, and look how nice this looks. This kind of graphic will take quite a while to create, and these are other alternatives to it too. So you just hover over each one, right? So if you like any of these, go ahead and click it, and it will save it like this. Then if you want to download it, let's say I don't want to use this post at all, I'm going to go ahead and download it as a PNG. And if you want to turn any other part of this into a visual, I could just select the portion of it, and here's some other options that we have. These are really nice. Let me see what other styles we get out of this one. Very cool. Select that. Again, download this too. And this brings me to the third tool here, and this is called Gamma. It's the best AI tool right now for creating presentations alternatives to things like PowerPoint. And you could just paste text, or you could just generate. You could use a single line of text, or you could just import any type of file. I'll show you this one for now. I'm going to create a presentation for hiring the right people, similar content. And this is the number of cards. If you have the paid version, you could get more cards. With the free version, you're going to be limited on how many cards. Cards are kind of slides. Here's the outline. I'm going to press continue. I am going to choose a theme. Let me just choose this theme right here. And this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to press generate just to show you the power of Gamma. It's kind of one of the most mind-blowing AI tools. And this, look at this. It's creating the entire presentation here in real time. I'm not editing this right now. It's writing all the copy that was from one line of text here. And it's going to even create these images for us. These are AI generated. You could just switch these with your own. This looks kind of funny, and then if you want to change any of these with any of the things you made inside of Napkin AI, you'll just have to select that image. Here I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to go ahead and click over here to upload. And then we could upload our own like this. I'm going to replace that image over here. Let me close this up. I could click this. This will fit the image. So combining Napkin and Gamma, you could get some crazy powerful presentations. I use this all the time. I'm using it right now to create a presentation. The impact of AI in marketing. And then you could go ahead to present mode right here, and then it will present it just like this. And then you could go through the entire presentation slide by slide. Some of these have different graphics to them. It's really easy to create these. Editable just like any PowerPoint document. बाकी के 4 और अमेजिंग टूल्स के लिए पार्ट 2 देखना, जिसको मैं यहाँ पर अटैच कर दूंगी. तब तक के लिए डिजिक इन्फोटेक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना और लाइक करना और शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जिनके लिए ये टूल काम आ सकते हैं.